More than 500,000 women in the EU's 27 countries are diagnosed with new cases of breast, ovarian, womb and cervical cancers every year. That's on average 1,400 a day. Some of these are very aggressive, like ovarian cancer. In the UK, for example, out of 20 women diagnosed with ovarian cancer, only 8 will survive beyond the next 5 years. And this survival rate hasn't changed for decades. While deaths due to cervical cancer have dropped steadily since the start of screening, over the same period of time, ovarian cancer has flatlined. It's as deadly today as it's ever been. Methods of assessing an individual's risk of ovarian, womb and breast cancers are limited. We can look for genetic mutations like BRCA or Lynch syndrome, but most women's cancers aren't linked to these. There's a close link between women's cancers and the body's response to external factors like lifestyle and environment, medicine and therapies, and life events, all having different effects at different ages. If these changes to the body's cells could be monitored regularly, we could assess the risk of cancer and take preventative action. In the 4C project, we'll explore the possibility of analysing hormone-sensitive cells collected routinely in smear tests to monitor this risk. Only a small portion of these cells are needed for cervical cancer screening, and at the moment the rest are thrown away. These cells can then be analysed for genetic changes. The cells will also be examined for molecular changes, which switch genes on and off, the epigenome, and for the presence of microbes that might cause cancer, viruses or bacteria in the metagenome. Together, these analyses will assess an individual's risk of developing any of the 4 women's cancers over the next 5 to 10 years. Following this analysis, a woman would know her individual risk of cancer and be able to make informed decisions about preventative action.